2 creative recipes using cucumbers. Cucumbers are versatile vegetables that add a refreshing crunch to any dish. They are not only low in calories but also high in nutrients, making them a great choice for incorporating into your meals. In this video, we will explore 10 creative and delicious recipes that showcase the versatility of cucumbers. From appetizers to main courses and even desserts, these recipes will inspire you to get creative with this humble vegetable. Cucumber gazpacho, a refreshing twist on a classic soup. Introduction: when it comes to refreshing summer soups, gazpacho holds a special place. Originating from Spain, gazpacho is traditionally made with tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, garlic, and bread. However, in this variation, we will explore the delightful flavors of cucumber gazpacho. This chilled soup is not only incredibly refreshing but also a fantastic way to enjoy the natural crunch and coolness of cucumbers. We will dive into the details of cucumber gazpacho, its ingredients, its preparation, and the endless possibilities for customization. 1. The essence of cucumber gazpacho. Cucumber gazpacho captures the essence of summer with its light and refreshing flavors. Cucumbers, with their high water content, provide a hydrating base for the soup. The mild and subtly sweet taste of cucumbers perfectly complements the tanginess of tomatoes and the earthiness of garlic and onions. Combined with a hint of herbs and a touch of acidity, cucumber gazpacho becomes a culinary delight. 2. Ingredients for cucumber gazpacho. To prepare cucumber gazpacho, you will need the following ingredients. Cucumbers: choose fresh and firm cucumbers, preferably English or Persian cucumbers, as they have a sweeter taste and fewer seeds. Tomatoes: opt for ripe and juicy tomatoes, such as Roma or vine-ripened tomatoes, for the best flavor. Bell peppers: red, yellow, or orange bell peppers add a subtle sweetness and vibrant color to the gazpacho. Red onion: use a small red onion for a mild and slightly sweet flavor that won't overpower the other ingredients. Garlic: fresh garlic cloves add a pungent kick to the soup, but you can adjust the quantity based on your preference. Fresh herbs: cilantro, parsley, or basil can be used to enhance the flavors of the gazpacho. Choose your favorite herb or a combination for added depth. Olive oil: high-quality extra virgin olive oil adds richness and a velvety texture to the gazpacho. Vinegar: use red wine vinegar or sherry vinegar to provide the necessary acidity and balance the flavors. Seasonings: salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper or paprika can be added to taste. 3. Preparation steps. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of preparing cucumber gazpacho. Step 1. Start by peeling and chopping the cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, red onion, and garlic. Remove the seeds from the cucumbers if desired, as they can make the soup watery. Step 2. Place the chopped vegetables and garlic in a blender or food processor. Add the fresh herbs, olive oil, vinegar, and seasonings. Step 3. Blend the ingredients until smooth and well combined. If you prefer a chunkier gazpacho, pulse the blender a few times to achieve the desired consistency. Step 4. Taste the gazpacho and adjust the seasoning as needed. You can add more salt, pepper, or vinegar to balance the flavors to your liking. Step 5. Transfer the gazpacho to a large bowl or container, cover, and refrigerate for at least an hour to allow the flavors to meld and the soup to chill. For customization and serving suggestions, while cucumber gazpacho is delicious on its own, you can get creative and customize it to suit your taste preferences. Here are a few ideas. Cucumber and mint: add a handful of fresh mint leaves to the gazpacho for a refreshing twist. Cucumber and avocado sushi rolls: a delicious combination of freshness and creaminess. Introduction: sushi rolls, also known as makazushi or maki rolls, are a popular Japanese dish enjoyed worldwide. While traditional sushi rolls often feature fish or seafood, there are endless possibilities for vegetarian and vegan options. One such delightful combination is the cucumber and avocado sushi roll. This roll combines the refreshing crunch of cucumber with the creamy texture of avocado, resulting in a perfect balance of flavors and textures. We will explore the art of making cucumber and avocado sushi rolls, from selecting the ingredients to rolling and serving them. 1. The essence of cucumber and avocado sushi rolls. Cucumber and avocado sushi rolls offer a delightful combination of freshness and creaminess. Cucumbers provide a refreshing crunch and a subtle sweetness, while avocados add a smooth and creamy texture. The flavors of these two ingredients blend harmoniously, creating a satisfying bite that appeals to both sushi enthusiasts and those looking for a vegetarian or vegan sushi option. 2. Ingredients for cucumber and avocado sushi rolls. To make cucumber and avocado sushi rolls, you will need the following ingredients. Sushi rice. Use short-grain Japanese rice or sushi rice for the best results. This type of rice is sticky and helps the rolls hold their shape. Nori sheets. Nori, or seaweed sheets, are used to wrap the sushi rolls. They add a distinct umami flavor to the rolls. Cucumber. Choose fresh and firm cucumbers, preferably English or Persian cucumbers, as they have a crisp texture and a mild flavor. Avocado. Ripe avocados with a creamy texture are ideal for sushi rolls. Select avocados that yield slightly when gently pressed. Soy sauce. Soy sauce is a classic dipping sauce for sushi rolls. Opt for low sodium or tamari sauce if you prefer a reduced sodium option. Wasabi and pickled ginger. These condiments are traditionally served alongside sushi rolls. Wasabi adds a spicy kick, while pickled ginger offers a palate cleanser. 3. Preparation steps. Let's now explore the step-by-step process of making cucumber and avocado sushi rolls. Step 1. Cook the sushi rice. Rinse the sushi rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. Cook the rice according to the package instructions or using a rice cooker. Once cooked, let the rice cool slightly before using it for sushi rolls. Step 2. Prepare the ingredients. Peel the cucumber and cut it into long, thin strips. Remove the seeds if desired. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and slice it into thin wedges. Step 3. Assemble the sushi rolls. Place a bamboo sushi mat on a clean surface and cover it with plastic wrap for easier rolling. Lay a sheet of nori on the sushi mat. Wet your hands with water to prevent the rice from sticking. Take a handful of sushi rice and spread it evenly over the nori, leaving a small border at the top. Place cucumber strips and avocado slices in a single layer along the bottom edge of the rice. Step 4. Roll the sushi. Using the sushi mat, start rolling the nori tightly, applying gentle pressure to secure the ingredients. Once the roll is complete, moisten the top border of the nori with water to seal the roll. Continue rolling until the entire sheet of nori is tightly wrapped around the filling. Step 5. Slice and serve. Moisten a sharp knife with water to prevent the rice from sticking. Carefully slice the sushi roll into bite-sized pieces. Arrange the sushi rolls on